Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, I am back again with another video, and this time it's going to be totally different because this is going to be a personality development video. Since we have created lots of makeup tutorials, skincare videos, also some hairstyling tutorials, so I thought why not bring up the personality development topic for you guys as well. By the way, I think a couple of months back I did a similar video for all the guys. It was a personality development or a grooming tips for all the guys who are watching this video. If you still are interested to watch that video, it's gonna be linking somewhere here, and it's also mentioned in the description. You can click on that link and it will take you to that video. So I thought I should come back again with the similar topic, but this time it should be for all the women watching this video, because personality development, or I would say some grooming tips, are very much needed in your day-to-day habits, because those things are going to enhance your personality and make you look stand out. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Let me share all the tips with you guys. So the tip number one is you need to have a simple but a basic skincare routine, and you need to be consistent with that. So it shouldn't be like, you're doing a skincare today and then you're not doing it tomorrow or going forward, and then you're like waiting for the results to come up. That is not going to give you a good results. So make sure you have a very simple but a consistent skincare routine that you're following on a day-to-day basis. Now guys, let me be very clear with you. Skincare or your skin can something which can make or break the deal, right? If your skin is flawless and it's looking glowy, it's looking clean from within and outside, it is going to make a lot of difference. And no matter if you're not doing anything, it is going to make you look presentable, and you don't need like too much products to follow a proper skincare routine. You can just have like a basic one, applying a moisturizer on a day-to-day base, applying a sunscreen on a day-to-day base. Make sure your lips are not chapped, because chappy lips no one like, right? Also make sure that you're applying a good moisturizer so that your skin is not dry. It's not like flaking out. So you have to make sure that you follow a proper but a very simple basic skincare routine, because it is going to make a huge difference, and it is a huge deal if you do this consistently. Make sure that you're removing whiteheads and blackheads on a weekly basis, so that your pores are clean, and it's going to help your skin look more glowy, more natural. Then wash your face twice a day, morning and evening. And also make sure to drink plenty of water, which I'm also doing on a regular basis to get that glowing base on a day-to-day base, because water, like hydrating your body, also makes your skin look super healthy and super glowing. So water also plays a very important role when you're taking care of your skin. So that was the tip number one, to take care of your skin and follow a proper skincare routine on a day-to-day basis. Tip number two is to always look presentable by applying a makeup. Now, I am not saying that you need to apply makeup on a day-to-day basis, but come on, all women are makeup lovers, right? In case you are not, you don't have to worry. Like, look at me right now. Today, I am not wearing any makeup. I have just done a little bit presentable look, just to give like an enhancement to my features. So you don't have to wear makeup on a day-to-day basis, but you need to know what makeup to wear on a proper event or occasion that you're going. So do whatever you like, but don't go for always like bold glamorous looks for every event that you're attending. Like if you're going for a job interview, your makeup should look presentable and very professional. If you're going for a party, depending on a day or night, your makeup should be like that. If you're going out for a shopping or something, just make sure you do a little bit touch up on your face so that you look presentable. So always make sure that you are doing makeup according to the event and according to the occasion, and do not overdo. Also, I have lots of makeup tutorials which are on my channel, so you can definitely refer those for specific topics or specific days. And I hope all the tips and tricks that I have shared with you guys in those tutorials will be helpful to you guys. Also, the most important step in this tip is going to be, do not forget to remove your makeup by end of the day. Do not sleep with the makeup on, because it is going to affect your skin, and guys, we don't want that, right? So make sure you are removing your makeup every night. If you're applying the makeup every single day, just do not sleep with the makeup on. Just follow a proper skincare routine, remove the makeup, and then go to sleep. Like today only I've just applied a little bit of mascara, a lipstick, blush and did my eyebrows just to look presentable, because there are days when I also don't like to do too much onto my skin and I want to let my skin breathe. So that's why I don't put makeup on those days. I just do a like very minimal, natural, kind of a makeup so that I just look presentable but it also doesn't look too much. Tip number 3 is going to be get your dress game up. You apart from your skin, your face, you always have to make sure that what you're wearing, so dress according to a particular occasion. If you're going for a job interview, make sure you wear something professional. If you're going out, just wear some trendy dresses or outfits so that you look presentable, right? But do not do anything overdoes, or do not do something extra which will not look good on a day-to-day basis, like wearing a very chamak dhamak wala outfit if you're going for a job interview or even for a day, certain event, because that is not going to make you look good. So always go for a basic stuff, but something which is trendy, and wear something which is good according to your body type. It shouldn't be like you see something on me and then you're like, okay, I'm gonna buy that and wear something similar, because what I wear according to my body size and body shape might not look good on you. So depending upon your body size and body shape, buy stuff which will suit your personality, your body type, so that you can just totally, just nail that particular outfit, right? So go for basic stuff first and style outfits according to your own will and your own personality. Always make sure to iron your clothes and wear a tidy, clean outfits, because that is going to make a huge difference, guys. If your clothes are nicely ironed, it will definitely give you that flashing, nice, neat and clean look. But in case they are not, it's gonna, no matter how expensive outfit you're wearing, it could be, you might be wearing a Chanel, Dior, maybe something from Zara also, but if it's not nicely ironed, it's not gonna look presentable. It will make you look like, and you don't want to look like that, right? So always make sure that your clothes are nicely ironed and dress appropriately according to the occasion and according to the place where you're going. As I also mentioned, this is very important step, that do not copy anyone. Like if you see something on someone, please make sure you're not copying it. Of course you can get inspired by that person and then wear something accordingly, but just simply don't copy the outfits, because like I just mentioned before, it might look good on them but it might not look good on your body. So always try to create your own style and see what looks good on you and then dress accordingly. Now this brings us to the tip number 4, which is going to be smelling good. Okay, body odor makes a huge difference, guys. Just imagine someone who doesn't who looks good, the personality is nice, the clothing, makeup, from head to toe, everything is on top, but the body odor of that person is not nice. It is like a big turn off, right? You will not feel like standing next to them or just spending a good amount of time with them. Especially for women, I would say smelling good makes a huge difference. So make sure you always apply a good perfume or a good body mist, to always smell good. But remember this, guys, body odor or smelling good, like I said, makes a huge difference. Is one of the best personality enhancement, and also the smell of the person leaves a long lasting impact of the person whomsoever you're meeting, and they are always going to remember that, okay, this person smells really good. You might have seen if you're using a good perfume or something and you're walking on the road, sometimes random people stop you and ask you, what is the perfume are you wearing? That has happened to me a lot of the time. Even when I'm at the gym or I'm anywhere outside, people usually say to me, okay, you smell good, what is the perfume that you're wearing? And then whatever is my favorite perfume or the one that I'm wearing, I always share those with people. So that is such a good compliment when someone says that you're smelling good, because they're always going to remember you like that, whether that's a stranger or some random person or your friend or anything, that this person smells good and has a very good odor, personality and an odor. So that plays a very important role. Now let's move on to the tip number 5, which is going to be taking care of the oral health by making sure that you're always brushing your teeth twice a day. Now this brings us to the topic number 3, which is going to be taking care of your oral hygiene. Now some of the key factors which include is which is very basic, but you have to brush your teeth twice a day, that is once in the morning and once before going to bed. Also make sure you're using a good mouthwash. Also make sure you're scraping your tongue, using a floss to get rid of all that tiny little food from your teeth, like inside the gaps. So oral hygiene plays a very important role. Again, like I mentioned, if someone's body odor is not nice, it's a turn off. Again, if someone's oral, the breath is not nice, it's again a turn off. Imagine you're sitting in front of someone, eating a food or talking to them like at this distance or whatever, and if their breath is not good, you can't control, and it's again a very big turn off. So you don't want that to happen to you. So make sure you always take care of your oral hygiene. Another thing that I like to do is, if I'm out for longer days and of course I can't use a mouthwash or something, so what I usually do is always carry a chewing gum. You can use anything, and so that just freshens up my mouth. And then even if I'm talking to someone, I don't throw away those bad breaths or bad smell. So that and also I make sure that I always do gargle in between the shots using a simple water or whatever I get in that time, so that whatever's the the water which has been absorbed, or the breathe or the food that has been absorbed, that can actually get freshened up. So make sure you do that. I think it's a very quick fix. Also chewing gum is a very quick fix, so you can do that as well. Now let's move on to the tip number 6, which is going to be remove an unwanted hair. Again, I would say it's very personal. There are some people who like to keep hair on their hands and arms, but if you're talking about personality development, this is a very important key factor, that you need to make sure that the unwanted hair are removed. It can be your armpits, it can be on your arms, on your hands, on your legs, because if you're wearing a dress and you see a jungle there, you will not like it, right? So always make sure that on a regular basis you're doing a waxing, or if you're already done a laser treatment, just make sure you keep checking up on those. If the hair is again coming up, just visit your doctor accordingly. And then if you're using a normal razor, just doing it on a weekly basis or whatsoever, just keep a track of it, so that the unwanted hair are not there and it just looks clean and nice. So make sure to do that as well on a regular basis. Now, as we already talked about removing unwanted hair, I also would like to talk about face shaving. Now this is totally an optional step, because some people don't like to do it, but if you talk to me, I would if you're asking me, I would suggest always doing a face shaving, because no matter, even after following a proper skincare routine or doing a good makeup, no matter what luxury brand you're using, face shaving does make a huge difference, and it's just gonna give you that smooth skin. And it's a myth, guys, that once you do a face shave, जो बाकी के बाल आएंगे वो थोड़े strong या thick आते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. I've been doing face shaving over the years and ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. By the way, I also have a detailed video on this, तो वो मैंने यहाँ पे लिंक कर दिया, बाकी डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मेंशन, आप उसको भी देख सकते हो. तो उस चीज़ को ज़रूर फॉलो करें, and I think you are going to see a huge difference on your skin. Now let's move on to the tip number 7, which is going to be making sure that your nails, whether that's your toenails or whether your hands, the nails look neat and clean, and they are always cut, trimmed. You can also get your nail extensions done, which is I would say pretty nice. It doesn't take too much time, but again, you can just go and get your nail extensions done. Otherwise, if you're someone like right now, I just want to let my nail breathe, that's why I'm not getting any nail extensions done, but I'm making sure on a day-to-day basis my nails are cut or trimmed. Also, I make sure I just don't bite them, because biting your nails can make them look a little brittle, and it doesn't look clean and nice, and doing that in front of someone. So always make sure that they are clean, nice and trimmed all the time. Also make sure that your feet are also, the feet nails are also clean. Make sure that your cuticles are also moisturized nicely. You can use a good hand cream to make your hands look nice and not dry, but always smooth and very nice. Let's move on to the tip number 1, which is going to be maintaining a good hair care routine so that your hair does not look frizzy and chidiya ka ghosla all the time. Because if your hair doesn't look nice, it is again a turn off and it doesn't make you look prepared for the day. So always follow a certain hair care routine, such as you're using a particular hair mask. If you're not someone who doesn't like if you're someone who doesn't like the hair mask, so you can definitely start oiling your hair and then just wash your hair on a frequent basis, maybe 2 to 3 times a day, sorry, 2 to 3 times a week. And you can use a dry shampoo. If your scalp is oily, make sure you're styling your hair nicely, combing them on an everyday basis so that there are no tangles and it doesn't look frizzy. Also make sure you're doing a certain hairstyle on some days so that your features can look different, your hair can look a little different. So always maintain a certain hair care routine so that your hair also looks presentable and you're ready for the day. Also, few things that I like to do is I always use a hair perfume in my hair so that every time I'm doing this, just like this, so just like this fragrance of that perfume can pass on to the person standing next to me, it just looks really nice. So I always use a hair, a perfume or a hair mist. You can do that, that's totally optional. Also, I sometimes use a post workout dry shampoo mist. I like to use it before and after both the times so that if there's any bad or smell coming up after doing an intense workout, it just goes away. These both are totally optional steps, but I am just recommending because this is what I do. I use dry shampoos on the days because I have an oily scalp, so I don't like to have an oily scalp. So I use dry shampoo on the days when I don't have time to shampoo my hair, because since I have a long hair and it takes forever for them to dry and style. So if I'm running late, I just use a dry shampoo, style my hair and go. So this is totally optional, but you need to make sure that you're maintaining a proper hair care routine. Now let's move on to the tip number 9, which is going to be exercising daily, guys. Now I'm not saying that exercise to maintain a particular figure or something, but you always want to make sure that your body is active and it's healthy no matter what size you are. But you need to always you can do any form of exercise. You can do yogas, you can do pilates, you can do strength training, you can do lots of cardio, you can go out for a walks, you can do Zumba, whatever your preference is. But make sure you're giving at least 1 hour to your body every day so that it's healthy, fit. Also, exercising daily increase the blood circulation in your body, which also helps in a healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy body. So make sure you're exercising daily because everyone prefers a healthy, fit body. So make sure you are taking care of your body as well on a day-to-day basis. Now this brings us to the last segment of this video, which is going to be the tip number 10. Since we already spoke about all the good tips and tricks for the grooming, the one very important tip which I would like to share with everyone here is whether no matter you're a female or a male, you need to learn a basic table manners. Okay, your body language should be good. When you're eating food, there shouldn't be certain sound on your plate. There are certain things, I don't want to go into detail, but you need to learn a basic table manners when you're even eating alone, or whether you're eating with someone outside, you're going for a dinner date or whatsoever. So this is like a very basic stuff that you need to know. People are always attracted to the person who knows a basic manner to eat in front of everyone, and you're eating food in a very clean manner, not like cup, okay? So there should be a certain manner while you're eating food. Of course, you should be comfortable doing that, but you need to know the proper manner to taking, just holding a spoon, to cleaning, and there shouldn't be any food atka hua here, so you need to take care of all that. This is something basic, I'm telling. It's like a vast topic, we can talk about it, but I'm not the right person to talk about it, so I'm just sharing this basic stuff with you guys. Alright you guys, so here ends all this amazing 10 tips with you guys. If you want me to create certain more videos with more tips, I can definitely come up with another video, maybe a part 2 or something. But this was something basic stuff that I wanted to share with you guys, which will definitely help you and enhance your personality. It's gonna help you, make you look more confident and more good. So definitely give it a try. I'm pretty much sure you guys are going to love it if you follow each and every step that I have mentioned in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, but if you have any questions, please make sure you comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. And let's just go and end this video right here. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video, but please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, take care, stay safe, bye.